Hi, my name is Nicolas Mouchy. I'm the International Space University IT Manager's Assistant. I'm French and based on the ISU Central Campus in Strasbourg, France. I'm recording this briefing in order to guide you through accessing the tools we have implemented for the SSP21 CPM. The tools we will be using are Microsoft Teams, Zoom, and Wonder. We will go through each of the tools to confirm you have access to those properly. By now, you should have received in a previous email sent to your personal mailbox your ISU credentials as well as 4 attached documents. The 2 documents we'll be using today are the How to Connect to CPM tools and the CPM agenda. But first, we would like to change your ISU password if you didn't do it already. To do so, please follow the link provided in the welcome email just after your initial username and password. Enter your ISU username, that's your first name, that's your last name. Enter the initial password provided in the email, and then enter your new password twice. Try to make it strong with at least 8 characters and click on OK. Let's change your password. A message will confirm that your password has been changed correctly. You can now close that window. We will now connect to your Microsoft account and to Microsoft Teams. To do so, please refer to the How to Connect SSP CPM tools. To connect to your Microsoft account, simply follow the link to the office.com website. Click on Sign In. Enter your ISU Microsoft account, that's your first name, that's your last name, at live.isunet.edu. Click on Next. Enter your new password and click on Sign In. When asked to stay signed in, click on Yes when you're using your personal computer, or click on No when using a public shared computer. You are now logged into your Microsoft account. From here, you can access all your Microsoft-based tools, including the one we are most interested in today, Microsoft Teams. Microsoft Teams can be accessed mainly in 2 ways, web-based, using the link here, or the direct link teams.microsoft.com. This way of accessing Teams is the best on a public or shared computer, but on your private machine, we encourage you to download the Microsoft Teams desktop client. To do so, just click on the download link in the documents and select if you want to download it for your desktop or for your mobile. Then make sure it's the correct operating system and click on Download Teams. After downloading and installing Microsoft Teams, you can now start the application. You will be prompted for a username and password. Use your ISU Microsoft username and password. So your first name, that's your last name at live.isunet.edu as previously. Click on Sign In. Enter your password. Microsoft Teams should be starting. And yes, we are in. Once connected to Teams, the Teams tab will open. On this tab, you can see the teams you have access to. Make sure you can see the team named SSP21 and click on it to open it. Make sure that you have access to the different channels here. The public ones are General, Lost in Space, and Zone 51. And you should also have access to one private one that's named Curriculum Planning. Please let us know if you have any trouble accessing the SSP21 team or the Curriculum Planning channel. We will go later into more detail in how to use Microsoft Teams. For now, let's make sure you can access Zoom and Wonder. Zoom and Wonder are two video conferencing tools. One will be used for the briefing session and the other one for the splinter session. To find the link to both meeting rooms, just refer to the CPM information and agenda on page 6. First, let's try to connect to the Zoom meeting. To do so, just click on the link provided. If Zoom is already installed on your computer, just click on Allow to start the meeting. If not, click on Download Now to download the software. Once the software is downloaded and installed on your computer, you can click on Launch Meeting to start the meeting. A new window will open to let you know the status of the window. Please be patient, the host will let you in soon. Next thing we want to make sure you can access is Wonder. As for Zoom, just click on the link provided to access the Wonder meeting room. Wonder doesn't need to have a client installed like Zoom, but just make sure you give him access to your camera and microphone by clicking on the Allow button. You should now be connected to the Wonder meeting room. If you have any question or if you need more additional help, please don't hesitate to contact ISU Help Desk by sending an email to helpdesk@isunet.edu or simply go opening a ticket on support.isunet.edu website. Thank you for your attention and stay safe.